Hi everyone, welcome to Snetly. Today we are going to see few blocks in the Snetly library browser. Okay, they are constants and switches, displays and LED, gauges and knobs. Okay, we are going to take a constant now. One constant and one switch. Okay, again a display and one LED. Okay, fine. Here just right click the constant to see the configuration window in the left side and help window in the right side. You can see we have 8 number of pins. We can assign each and every pins the different value. Okay, we have a internal keyboard as well as external keyboard also. For demo purpose we can use internal keyboard for your reference. Just I'm going to give the value 10, 20 and 30. Okay, just apply register values to apply the values to the pin. Okay, just go back to schematic. You can see the values assigned here. Just connect the pin to display. Click this button to connect next pins. Okay, again we are going to connect the switches to LED. Likewise we are going to connect. Okay, now the default position of switch is in off position. That means it is in 0 position. Just turn on the switch to come back to 1 position. Now to show the display value and LED value, we want to run the system first. Here is the run button. Just click to run. Here you can see the running time here. This is the system running time. Now you can see here the values were assigned to the display 10, 20 and 30 and the switches were on the LED. Turn off to off the LED. Turn on to on the LED. Okay, fine. Now we are going to take a gauge and knob. I'm going to take one gauge here and one knob. Just right click the knob to see the configuration window in the left side and help window in the right side. The default values are 0 to 100. You can see the help window here. As per IEEE 754 standard, we used 32-bit floating point format. This is more than enough for real-time systems. Okay, we can assign the value as 1000 now. Okay, just apply register values and go back to schematic. You can see the gauge here. Just right click to see the configuration window in the left side and help window in the right side. The default values are 0 and 100. I'm going to change the maximum value as 1000. Here also the same. As per IEEE 754 standard, we used 32-bit floating point format. Just apply register values and back to schematic. I'm going to connect knob to the gauge. I'm going to vary the values. You can see the knob which varying the value. Fine. You can also connect the constant to the gauge. See the value is assigned to 10. I am connecting the 10th pin. To see the pin where it is connected, just click the pin to see where the pin is connecting. Fine. Okay. We can all see that. Then I am going to connect the 30. You can see the value assigned to 30. Okay, fine. We can also connect knob to the display. Yes, now you can see the value 0. While changing the knob, the display values will be changed. You can see the display now, like 0 to 1000, like this. Okay, fine. These are the few blocks: constant, display, switches, LED, knob and gauge. Okay, thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.